Hey guys, this is your girl Brittany Mills. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I add designs to my gel nails and also showing you a few products that I will be using. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned to the end of the video.
Even though I'm wasting time, I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be trapped in a box. I just wanna go my own way, 'cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby. Can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you. Just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be. Didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby. Just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live. Cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Thinking about you lately. I'm hanging on to a maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Been thinking about you lately. I'm hanging on to a maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time with you. Don't wanna take it slow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time with you. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time.
I am now finished adding design to my gel nails. I hope this video was helpful in some type of way. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just thought I'd let you know.